clumsy action. Oh, fucking hell. Oh!
Oh, there goes the car. Let's go find one without no fucking horns.
He's horny.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get
We didn't get wipes, did we?
Happy birthday, puppet.
Thank you.
I made you a coffee. And I got you a card, actually.
I've never seen this card before.
Okay, now.
Pack it up. Is that true?
What?
Whenever you're smiling, you're thinking of me and how lucky you are.
Yeah. It's all true, actually.
Where's Zebra? Oh, dirty cunt. Don't come my side.
You can fucking get out of here, you cunt.
Hello, you're a young one, aren't you? You're a cunt. Bloke looks more like a zebra than a zebra does.
Right, go. No.
Fuck off! Oh, you cunt.
Do it.
Sorry. No, get out.
No,
Out.
do it. Chop his head off. Oh, I should have brought me a little lube on. Oh, look at the ears. Look at the fucking ear. She's got eyes like Sunny. I've got some cream at home for that.
They've had a row. No white bits on the face. Do you reckon that's shit? They're big fucking things, really, aren't they?
They've got to be a male or something.
Yeah, walking around with a hard on.
Wait.
What do you mean, naughty?
You come over and scratch his car.
Is that what you're worried about?
No.
Don't bite your fucking arm off, but oh, that's all right. She didn't scratch the car.
They're not that white actually. They're more like a beige. Is that because they're dirty? Go on, have a crow.
Be good, wouldn't it? Watch it. Fucking muller a
To be
crow.
fair, all the crows have run off. Hello! Hello! Sonny, love it.
This one here. I am David Attenborough.
It's weird, isn't it? It's like they've got a big coat over them. Fucking geese. Come out over and I'll whack them.